Hi, Wilson here with Anchors Away Travel. I'm going to do a quick walkthrough here of the Alexandra Resort in Providenciales Turks and Caicos. Most of these units are all owner occupied, but they do rent them out throughout the year. So I'm going to do a quick walkthrough. It's a small resort. Got a couple of buildings, and I won't really be able to show you the lobby because it looks like it's under construction. It looks like they're building a brand new lobby. Overall, the landscaping looks really nice. I won't be able to show you the interior today. We might get to that a bit later. As you can see, there's a little bit of construction going on right now, in particular at the lobby or the foyer. So, but as you move along from here, you've got more of a parking area here for people who have their own cars, rental cars, things of that such. But as you can see, it's lined with beautiful palm trees, some really nice flowers, and but it's a simple resort. It's about 5 floors, it looks like. Pretty simple, but it's great place. It's right on Grace Bay, the world's best beach per TripAdvisor. So can't really go wrong. So right now we're walking towards the pool area. There's a restaurant back there, which hopefully I'll get a chance to show you real quick. It's about a 2 to 3 minute walk or so from the lobby area. Maybe not even that long. So it looks like some people are getting ready to leave their vacation. This is called a Fish Deck. It's one of their restaurants. So let's go check it out. Might be closed now, so I don't know if we'll get into the interior. But let's just go through the outside here and check some of this stuff out. And there it is, Grace Bay Beach. As you can see out in the distance, here's the restaurant, the exterior of the deck. So there's quite a few tables here. Nice little place to have breakfast or lunch, or dinner for that matter. Some local vendors setting up shop. They're usually pretty good. They don't bug you all that much. Looks like there's a surf shop here. Volleyball court. They've got hobby cats here. So they've got kayaks as well. Tours set up. So like I said, it's a pretty simple resort, but again, it's right on Grace Bay Beach, which is absolutely amazing. So let's wrap around here and let's go to the other side. Give you a point of view of what the pool looks like. Looks like this building's only got 4 levels. The decks look like, the patios look like they're decent sized. Looks like they also have bikes there to help you get around the resort, which is kind of neat. You don't feel like walking. You feel like getting in shape a bit, I guess. So as you can continue to see, the landscape is Very well done. Definitely know you're in the Caribbean, that's for sure. Palm trees and beautiful flowers everywhere. So we're approaching the pool area. So I'll take you around there real quick. It's early, it's about just about 8 o'clock in the morning, so people are out eating breakfast. There's not much going on at the moment. We got really nice loungers here, as you can see. You got hammocks. You got volleyball. Looks like you've got a jacuzzi, which is nice. A little bridge to get to the other side. So let's kind of go over that and show you how that works. A few more tables and chairs. Little basketball hoop, it looks like. Some of the younger ones. You got a swim-up bar, which is always nice. Breakfast buffet. Activities board. On the weekly activities. Another nice area to have breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Just imagine yourself sitting right here on Grace Bay, enjoying your coffee and breakfast. It's just amazing. Morning, sir. Good, yourself? Morning. Walk you down to the beach so you can see what it looks like. Looks like there's some trampolines on the water as well, water trampolines. And you got lounges all over the place. Place to go get your towels and some water. And that's it, guys. That's the Alexandra Resort in Providenciales Turks and Caicos. Wilson here from Acres Away Travel. Make it a great day.